Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. When it comes to throwing an unforgettable party, the right decoration can set the mood and create a magical atmosphere for guests to enjoy. Party decoration ideas offer a world of endless creativity and inspiration, catering to various themes and occasions for a whimsical and fun-filled event. Consider colorful balloons arranged in arches or even vibrant balloon garlands transform the venue with fairy lights and string lights, casting a warm and enchanting glow over the festivities. Elegant floral arrangements with seasonal blooms add a touch of sophistication and romance to any celebration. Streamers, bunting, and banners can be customized to match the theme, adding a festive flair to the space. Create photo-worthy backdrops or photo booths with eye-catching props to capture lasting memories for themed parties. Personalized drawer element can transform guests to feel of land, different eras, or their favorite movies. Table centerpieces with unique accents and stylish tableware enhance the dining experience. Party decoration ideas also extend to theme cake designs, party favors, or creative signage to guide guests through the event. Whether it's a party bash, wedding celebration, or holiday extravaganza, well thought out decoration breathe life into the party and make it an extraordinary experience that guests will cherish for years to come. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.